What's up, y'all, and thank you for tuning in. So, let me start off by saying that I have never worn a wig before. I used to think they were for old people, but nowadays, I'm not gonna lie, these wigs look good. You can do everything with the wig, and they look really natural. So, I mean, I want one, I'm just not spending those dollars on one. So, I'm gonna attempt to make my own. So in a previous video, I installed faux locks onto my head, and I'm going to attempt to do the same thing on a wig. So I didn't have to purchase too much. I did purchase the Cornrow wig cap. And it came with the crochet needle. Now, the thing about this, I'm hearing reviews now where people are saying, like, it's really hard to get the needle through the braid. It's just really bulky. I guess we'll see. But I thought the good thing about this wig cap is that it comes with the combs so that you can make sure, you know, when you're putting the wig cap on, it doesn't come off. Also, when I did my hair, I only used 3 packs of hair. I have no idea how many packs I'll need to cover the wig. I bought 4 packs. I guess we'll see. So I bought the Bobbi Boss Bomba Faux Loc Sole, and I got that in the number 4. I know some people like switch up and get different colors and put that throughout their head, but I just got the one color. So yeah, if you would like to see how I put this wig together, then please keep watching. So we are going to start off with pushing the needle through the netted part of the wig cap. Once you have it through, go ahead and grab your lock and then open up the loophole with your fingers and simply hook it on to the needle. Once you have it on the needle, close it, pull the lock through, unhook the needle, and pull the lock through the loophole and tighten it like a knot. And that is it. One more time slow before I speed the video up. So starting off, I kind of spaced out the locks so that I can see about how much hair I was going to use, and I can always go back later and add more locks. But at the top, you're going to want to use enough locks to actually cover the braids because that's the main part people are going to see. This is it, guys. This is the final product. So if only you all could have seen me struggling to put this wig on. So I've never worn a wig. I know nothing about wigs. So the combs from the wig cap were getting stuck in my hair. At one point, I didn't even know what was the front of the wig and what was the back. I was a hot mess. But yeah, this is it. I like it. It is much thicker that I'm used to when I did it on my hair. And I guess it's because, you know, when I did my hair, I used 3 packs of hair. I purchased 4 packs of hair to make this wig. That definitely was not enough. So 4 packs covered like right here. So I ended up using 7 packs total. And I know I can use more because as you can see, there are some sections. I know y'all was talking about that big space in the middle of my head. I could probably use like 1 or 2 right here. And there's some like open spaces in the back, but you really can't tell unless you like do this. But I was not purchasing any more hair. I used enough money buying the hair for this wig. So I will do that another day. But also it didn't take anywhere as long as it did for my hair. So it took no more than 2 hours to do this entire wig, which was really good. Also for the ends, I wanted to either blow dry them to make them look more natural, like I did when I, put the locks on my hair, or I wanted to put some perm rods at the end, and dip them in some hot water so they'll be, more like curly, versus, coily like it is now. Also, it wasn't hard. You have to use more force, but it was not hard as I thought it was going to be reading the reviews, getting the needle through the cornrow wig cap. So if you are going to try making a wig and you're going to use a different kind of wig cap, maybe like a netted wig cap or something like that, let me know your results. I don't know if it'll look differently, if it'll look as like bulky in here or not by using a different wig cap. Who knows? So, but yeah, that is pretty. That's it. She can definitely use a few more touches. But I think I did a good job for my first time. So, yeah, that's it, guys. So, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.